Hi, I'm Eric from Lamasocco, Australia. Allow me to introduce to you the Linear Mini. I'm going to show you how to extract the perfect espresso at home. When assessing your grind, it's important to get into a routine. Let's start with 3 steps to focus on so that you stay on track and consistent. Dose. Choose a weight to measure your ground coffee. This time, let's use 20 grams. The recommended dose of coffee changes from roaster to roaster, so when you buy the coffee, feel free to ask the cafe or roastery what they recommend. Tamp. All you need is a nice and even tamp with a dry tamper. No need to tamp more than what you feel is comfortable. Just keep it consistent and straight. Measure. Decide on an end time and weight to aim for. Again, each coffee will be different. A good place to start would be 25 to 30 seconds and 40 grams for a double espresso. That's a 2-to-1 ratio. The Linear Mini comes with a small pre-infusion, programmed from the factory, so don't worry if it doesn't start brewing straight away. This feature just means there's less for you to worry about, creating a more stable brew. To get to 40 grams exactly, stop the brew around 3 to 4 grams off, allowing for drip. Alright, so we have control of the amount of coffee going in and out, as well as the consistency of our tamp. So, how long did it take to pour 40 grams of espresso? This comes down to one thing, the grind. 2 coarse, less than 25 seconds to brew, gushing out of the spouts, weak yellow colour and a sour taste. 2 fine, more than 30 seconds to brew, a slow drip and a burnt or bitter taste. What we're looking for is an even, balanced brew lasting 25 to 30 seconds. A mouse tail shaped pour and a thick glossy crema to finish. Before adjusting your grinder, mark it so you have a reference point. Only adjust the collar 1 to 2 notches at a time. Make sure you purge your old grinds out before remaking your next coffee. Here it is in all its glory, the Linear Mini. Commercial quality equipment made for the home. For more info and bids, head to the Lamasocco Home Australia website. Cheers!